Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself with Wayne. This channel is all about teaching you how to do things yourself to save money. And today is certainly no exception. For those of you that may know where I'm at or not, I'm out here in the yard. I'm at the back of my camper where this is the rear bumper on my camper. And for those of you that have a camper that's self-contained, you probably know what this is. This is the drain hose for your sewer to drain your black and gray tanks. And a lot of people will store it in their bumper because it will fit in there. The problem that people have, though, the caps that you can get to go on here, they tend to come off going down the road sometimes. If that happens, your hose is likely to slide out. It may get down on the road, it may wear the end out of it, it may just come out completely and get lost. And then you get to where you're going to camp and you either got a damaged hose you can't use or you don't have a hose. Because like I said, those caps that you can buy, they tend to fall off sometimes. Those caps are, some of them are less than $10. I've seen some that was over $100, just depending on what you get. I think if you got the more expensive ones, they'd be more likely to be dependable. But you know, I'm cheap. I want something that costs me no money or just a little bit of money. And that's what I've come up with to solve this problem. What I did, I drilled me a hole here and a hole here. I got me a bolt. Now I already had this, but if you need to buy one, you know, get something that's longer than your bumper, which your bumper is 4 inches. I think this is 6 inches. It might be 5.5, 5, I don't know, but it's long enough. It doesn't matter what the diameter is. I think this is 5/16. It might be a quarter. I'm not really sure. It doesn't really matter. Just get something that's long enough to reach through there. Drill my holes and I put it in there. Now to make sure it doesn't fall out, I drilled a hole in the bolt down here. And I got one of these little lynch pins that you use on lawnmowers. And this particular one is stronger than most. Most of the ones that you get for lawnmowers, like your little John Deeres and Cub Cadets and stuff, they're stronger than some that you can get. And I wanted a stronger one to make sure it stayed on there. So anyway, that's what I got. Drilled a hole in the bottom of my bolt. And I just stick it in there. And because it's so strong, sometimes it's hard to get off. So I took me a wire tie, made me a big loop with a wire tie. And I haven't done it yet, but I plan to put a little drop of glue right in here on my wire tie so I don't have to worry about it closing up. Not that that would be a big issue. I can just still hold the end of it and pull it off. But with that loop, makes it real easy to pull that pin off. And then take your bolt out. There's your hose, safe and secure. And with this system, I have complete confidence that this is not going to come out going down the road. It's going to stay on there until I want it to come out. And it cost me, well, in this case, it cost me nothing but my time. If you had to buy this bolt and that pin and that wire tie, you know, you're going to spend a few dollars, but this is inexpensive stuff. It's going to give you a solution that will last for many years, and it's not going to fail. And to me, that's a good fix. So if you find this useful, please click like and share our video with your friends, especially your friends that have campers. They might find this very useful. And if you subscribe to our channel and make it easier for you to find our future videos that can help you save money. And we cover a lot of different topics, and we've got a lot of topics already online that may help you save money on other things or repair things around your house. So, you know, subscribe to our channel and we'll do our best to help you save money. So with that, I'd just like to say thank you for visiting. Do It Yourself with Wayne, and we hope you have a great day.